Mom will kill you if she sees you smoking.
Well, when she does, I hope you'll have the decency to bury me in an actual cemetery, rather than the backyard. Should we say a prayer or something?
I guess.
Okay. You can say it.
I don't want to.
Neither do I.
I don't know what to say.
Don't be so melodramatic, Charles. No one's asking for a eulogy, just a simple prayer. Ask the earth to watch over him or something.
He's dead. There's not a whole lot of that necessary.
You're so morbid. What about his next life? I think we should pray to Hecate and ask her to make him a human. Someone we meet and become friends with.
What?
Hecate is the goddess of death and reincarnation. It's Wiccan.
Oh, so you're Wiccan this week. Glad that's cleared up. You know, I can't keep your personality straight. Last week you go with a friend to a Baptist church and then proceed to tell Mom, Dad, and I that we're going to hell because we watch TV, and then a mere 9 days later you're Elvira, mistress of the dark. We can't keep up with you. Just find an identity.
You're one to talk.
What could you possibly mean by that? I'm always the same.
That's nothing to brag about. Just drop it, okay? I won't tell you how to live your life, and you don't tell me how to live mine.
I thought there'd be a bigger turnout. He was popular. I mean, all our friends loved him. I just thought people would actually show up to pay their respects.
You invited our friends?
A few.
You're so embarrassing.
You're dressed like the bride of Frankenstein, and I'm embarrassing.
Shut up about the dress.
This is not the way he would have wanted his funeral.
It was a dog, Charles. They shit on the ground and lick themselves. The ceremony is probably not key here. It was just a fucking dog.
Yeah, he was my fucking dog, so fuck you.
He's my fucking dog, too.
He never liked you.
Oh, I suppose he told you this?
No, he didn't have to. It was apparent he barely tolerated you.
I hate you.
Big loss.
You're such a dickhead, CB.
Just say the fucking prayer.
It's your fucking dog. You say it.